A wrong answer is not just a mistake. It is evidence. Most AI tutors rush to the solution. Lantern starts somewhere else, with the learner's own reasoning. Here, Maya believes division must always make a number smaller. That sentence tells us more than the final answer. Lantern uses GPT-5.6 through the OpenAI Responses API to diagnose the likely misconception, without revealing the answer. Structured outputs turn the analysis into a clear map: the current idea, the missing conceptual bridge, and the target model. Then Lantern generates Socratic questions, a focused micro-exercise, and one teacher move the learner can act on next. The class view groups individual reasoning traces into misconception clusters, so a teacher can see where the class is actually stuck. Instead of reteaching the whole chapter, Lantern recommends one short lesson move for the largest conceptual need. Lantern was built with Codex and GPT 5.6. Codex accelerated the full-stack implementation, schema design, testing, and responsive interface. Lantern does not replace teacher judgment. It makes student thinking visible, so the next question can be better. Better questions, not faster answers.